Everything you just saw was made by AI. One tool, one prompt, done in minutes. And no, this isn't ChatGPT and this isn't Claude. This is something that most people have not heard of yet.
Hey guys, my name is Michael. I run JohnnyTube. I have one of the best-selling AI and Faceless YouTube courses in the world.
I also have one of the fastest growing AI newsletters on the planet.
Built for everyday non-technical people. And I've worked with over 40 AI companies, billion-dollar unicorns, and million-dollar startups. What you just saw was built with Vidu. It's an AI video generation platform built specifically for storytelling. Characters that hold across shots, emotional performance, and voice and music generated in real time. This is not just another text-to-video tool. It's a storytelling engine. Before I show you exactly how it works, my free newsletter goes out every Tuesday. It's meant for normal, non-technical people to not only make sense of the crazy, chaotic AI world, but I show you how to profit from it as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free.
Let's get into the demo. First, we'll go ahead and create our character. We have here reference to image and text to image, but we'll go in text to image. Let's put our prompt here, set amount to 2 and click create. Whoa. God, look at the detail. Look at the hair, the face. It's so realistic. Next, let's create the background world for our video. Let's paste our prompt here. We're going to change the amount of 2 so that we can choose the best image and click create. Look at this, guys. It looks so realistic, straight out of a sci-fi movie. Look at the details on the buildings, the reflection on the roads. Crazy. So we have now our character and our background. Now let's proceed to video generation with reference to video, which is Vidu's best feature. Go to R2V here in the left side panel and you'll see 3 different ways to create our AI video. We have reference to video, image to video, and text to video, but we'll try reference to video first. Now let's upload our images generated earlier here. Paste our prompt, select Vidu Q3 for our multi-shot and consistent character. Set the duration to 16 seconds, keep the other settings and click create. And here's the part that most AI tools mess up. Keeping the same character across multiple shots. Watch what Vidu does with this.
I think someone's following me.
This is the other thing that most tools can't do. Generate the voice and the visuals together in one workflow. No going to 11 Labs separately. No syncing audio and post. It's just done. Let's create another one. Let's start with a new character, a female traveler. These images are freaking beautiful. I can't decide which one to go with because they're both perfect. But we're going to go ahead and choose this one because we're going to create a cinematic fantasy video. Next, we're going to create another world. We're going to do a more futuristic background and see what it gives us. Okay, let's paste our prompt here. We're not going to change anything from the settings and let's go ahead and click create. This is George Lucas Fifth Element style crazy graphics. This was made in under 30 seconds using Vidu. We now have our character and the background. I'm super excited to see what this creates. I can see how this can make money in different ways, but let's see what Vidu gave us. Now let's go back to reference to video section and we're going to upload our character and our world that Vidu created us. Paste our prompt here and we make the duration 16 seconds. And then click create. I'm absolutely speechless. This looks like it was made by a huge team in a studio, but this was made using Vidu in under 10 minutes. Look how realistic this is. Look how the character is consistent in every frame. The explosion, everything. There's no limit with these types of AI video. The only limit is your imagination. You can create any types of videos with this. Cinema, anime, cartoon, anything you want. From idea to finished video in less than 10 minutes, and that's the workflow. Okay, now let me show you how to actually create a business around Vidu. Number 1 is selling short-form ads to local businesses. Every local business in your town, med spas, gyms, real estate agents, they all need video ads for their social media and can't afford a full production crew. A traditional video agency quotes anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 per ad. You can walk in with Vidu and offer them a complete custom ad for whatever you want to charge them, massively undercut the competition. And remember, your delivery time can be 24 hours and you can charge way less than traditional cinematographers. Number 2 is build cinematic films, music videos, and then sell them. Independent artists, cinematic filmmakers, and content brands all need videos but can't afford to pay a traditional service. With Vidu's consistent character, you can create as many short form videos or music videos as you want. This is something that used to take $10,000 and weeks and months of production. Again, guys, your advantage here is speed and its cost. You can massively undercut the competition and have a delivery time of 12 to 24 hours. Number 3 is build a faceless storytelling channel. And this is one of my favorite subjects because I not only built a course on this, I do have a couple of faceless channels myself. I'm super passionate about this. The rules are always changing with YouTube on how they monetize, but it doesn't matter because ad revenue now in 2026 is maybe 5% of what you can make on the platform. There's sponsorships and brand deals and merchandise sales and affiliate links and course and coaching. There's so many ways to monetize Vidu and AI video generation in general. So as far as faceless videos on YouTube are concerned, let me really quick go into something that I think is the most important part of this video. Let's scroll the YouTube homepage. Now, 99% of people look at the YouTube homepage as entertainment. They see a video like this, oh, wow, inner peace. This is, let me listen to that, let me relax, or soul therapy, or the truth, or drama, or whatever the case may be. They look at it like Netflix. They're consumers. That's the problem. Now, when you scroll YouTube, when you scroll the homepage, I want you to look at this as a business person with the business mindset, because every video you're scrolling by is millions and millions, possibly billions of dollars in real estate. This is the way YouTube is built. YouTube is not a video platform. Don't get it twisted. YouTube is a war for attention. And when you scroll the YouTube homepage, it's kind of like driving down Park Avenue in New York. You're driving past millions and millions of dollars in real estate. These people that appear on the YouTube homepage are making so much money through ad revenue and merchandise and affiliate links and brand deals and consulting and courses and coach, you name it, all of it. This is a business, guys. And if you're going to do faceless videos, especially with Vidu, I want you to look at this like a business. Scroll the YouTube homepage with a business mindset. Look at this. 200,000 views, 1 million views, 200,000 views, 124,000 views. Guys, this is money. These people are making money. And of course, nothing is guaranteed. You have to be consistent. You have to be habitual when you make faceless videos or any video on social media in general. But this is the business, guys. Look at YouTube with the eye of an operator and not a consumer. And if you want to try Vidu, click the link in the description. It's on the first line down below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to profit from it, scan the QR code on the screen, join my completely free newsletter. We'd love to have you part of the family, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.